And where it will go? Romania. Romania will go.
I will show you.
See here, see Portugal, France, France. Then here we have Italy, then we have Greece, and then
What about this thing?
Greece on top of it. And then I have something.
I'll show you where it's some fix.
Oh my God, you are intelligent, boy.
Yeah.
And this will fit here. See?
This was.
Can you tell me? Help me out.
Okay, I will help you out. This can fix. I don't know where this can fix. Oh, here. This is good place.
Oh, this is 1 pound here. See, Belarus is inside the Europe only. Yeah, this one is Belarus. Then Estonia will go here. Yeah, this one is Estonia. And Latvia will go now. Where it will go?
I'll show you.
Somewhere here.
Somewhere here. Yeah, it can fix here.
Yeah.
Latvia, you fix it. Yes.
And then,
Now I think.
and then this can fix.
Oh, Lithuania, yes. Latvia,
Yeah,
Lithuania.
good.
Now where Bosnia will go?
I don't know where.
Croatia will also go somewhere, but I'm not able to understand where it will fit. Oh, here it will fit. Yeah.
And then this will fix.
This will not fit. Show me. Will this fit? Yeah, it fit. Croatia, then Serbia will go here now. Yep. Okay. Now this piece is remaining. Slovakia will go somewhere, but I'm not able to figure out where it will go. It will go here.
Yeah, it will go here.
But I think we don't have complete this. Netherlands we don't have, and one more country we don't have here.